Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and this is Identify Medians, Altitudes, Angle Bisectors, and Perpendicular Bisectors. I have my notes out, not transversals. Let's see. Medians, altitudes, angle bisectors, perpendicular bisectors. So go over those notes before you start this IXL. Make sure you've got it all there. That'll help you. Let's do some of these. What VT? Well, VT it looks like it's bisecting it. It's not an angle bisector. It's a median. It's not a it's a median, because a median. Let's see. Oh, I kept going back. I have a median somewhere described in here. A median must cut it in half. A median, a segment that extends from the vertex to the other side and cuts it in half. Here's the median. So it's a median. Ooh, angle bisector. See how it's cutting it in half? Angle bisector, got it. What's this one? Ooh. STV is a right triangle. STV. So this is a right angle, which means this is an altitude. Let's see. FHG. FHG is FHG is a right angle, and these guys, okay, so it's coming down, it's a right angle, and it's cutting this in half. That feels like a perpendicular bisector. That feels like a median, right? It's coming from a vertex and cutting it in half, so it is a median. Those are congruent angles, so this is an angle bisector. So this is coming down, it's a right angle, and it's coming down from a vertex. Comes down from a vertex at a right angle, that's an altitude. Angle bisector, right? Creating two equal angles, angle bisector. This looks like an altitude coming down from a vertex and being perpendicular, that's an altitude. See, it's creating two congruent segments. This is congruent to that, so that's going to be a median. Comes down from a vertex. Oh, that is not an angle bisector. It's a none of those. It's not an angle bisector. Perpendicular. Okay, QS. What is QS? Look at that. That's not a median. Man, this feels like a none of these. QS it's not a median because it's not coming down off of a vertex, even though it's bisecting this. It's not a perpendicular bisector because this isn't bisected. It's a none of those. Perpendicular bisector. This feels like a nothing. It's perpendicular, but it's not bisecting. It's not an altitude because it's not coming off of a vertex. It feels like a nothing. Ooh. Which segment is an altitude of A? BD is the altitude. BD. Perpendicular bisector. Which one's this XT is a perpendicular bisector. Angle bisector. WU is the angle bisector. WU, because it's cutting this angle in half. Median. Median has to come down from a vertex and cuts it in half, so DB is the median. Median. Which one is the median? Median has to come down from a vertex and cut it in half. GD is the median. Challenge zone. Altitude. Altitude comes from a vertex at a right angle, so AC. Angle bisector, HE is bisecting this angle, HE. I think you guys got it. How long did that take me? This is 5 minutes worth of work so far. Angle bisector. Which segment is an angle bisector? EB. Altitude QT is the altitude, comes down, coming down at a right angle, but has to come off of a vertex. Which segment is a median? Median is the JG. You get it. I'm out. Thanks for watching.